Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and the other day I took a trade-in. I gave the guy, I think, about 600 bucks off retail, sight unseen. Yeah, I know. It's a 20 horsepower Merc, and today we're gonna find out, did I make a good decision or am I gonna lose money on this? I hope I'm not gonna lose money. Well, let's go and find out. So, here it is. I think it's from the early 90s, judging by the stripes. It's got some years. Gaskets have been replaced. I think I replaced these a couple years back for them. So hopefully that's not a sign that we had water intrusion and maybe some damage inside. Ugh. I hope not. I hope not. Okay, so we're gonna do the normal stuff, spark, compression, and see how that stuff checks out. If it checks out all right, I'll check the gear oil. And if that's okay, I'll go ahead and drop it in the tank. I don't want to get into the water pump and whatnot yet, because if it doesn't run, there's no point in spending that extra time and extra money in order to check that stuff over. It did come with a fuel tank that is over here sitting by the garbage can, and our bag of bottles, our used bottles, and a camp engine. Just a quick note, how do you like their choke knob? It's here to be replaced. All right, let's get things underway. Should see a crisp blue spark on two of them. Oh, we're in the run position, or not run position. Oh, nice. I'm hoping that showed up on the camera because it was nice, crisp blue spark, really strong. That's fantastic. Into the tank. All right, sorry for the background noise, but that is the fan, and the fan's gotta be on. So we're in the up position. I'm not gonna prime it yet. I'm just gonna pull it over in case there's fuel that's in it. Oh, I should have tightened these up first. Got called way to the phone. And customers. It's Tuesday after a long weekend, so it's busy. All right, let's see if we start. All right, nothing. So I'm gonna activate the primer. But one thing I did notice with the primer is I don't think it's pushing. Can we see it? I think we can see it. Let's get you guys in closer. There's a blue button right there that needs to be pressed. And when I pull on this, it's stopping on the top, so it's not actually working. So I'll give it a couple pushes. Oh. Looks like the diaphragm is torn. I'm gonna have to fix that. So if fuel comes out of that little hole, the diaphragm is damaged. Oh, I gotta spray the camera. So we're still gonna try it anyway. Hopefully some fuel got in. Hey, there we go. It's gonna need some work. I'm gonna pull the carburetor off and replace that primer for one. It's probably pulling air in there and leaning out the air fuel mixture a bit and doesn't want to idle, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the diaphragm, and it's going to have a little tear in it, or it's worn through or deteriorated over time. Doesn't have a lot of flex anymore, it's pretty stiff. Should easily be able to do that with it. Take a light, and you can see that there are holes in it. Replace that, should be good as new.
And back up front for the results. I think I did really good. The engine runs, got great power. I just had to change out that primer and it was good to go. There was good water flow. Remember, those are temperature regulated, so if you've got one, sometimes at idle, no water comes out. I did have water at idle, and I did have water at high speed. Anyway, I think I might even have a buyer for it. Oh, the phone's ringing. I gotta get going. I'll see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, I got a couple more videos up here. For those of you that aren't on mobile, you should be able to see these, and I'll catch you guys later.